Hi beauties, it's your girl Syndie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a super beginner friendly hair install. This is super easy, low effort. You really don't have to do much. So this hair is from West Kiss. In the box you get a rat tail comb, you get a band, you get a bonnet to put your hair in, and then you also get a dust bag to put your hair away. Make sure you're keeping the quality and everything intact. So this unit is a 24-inch HD lace. I got the small cap because I do have a pretty small head, and it comes pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck it or anything like that. It also comes pre-cut, so you don't have to worry about cutting it or anything like that. You do have two combs on the inside of this unit, and you also have an adjustable band, so you really don't have to do anything. This wig just literally comes, everything is done for you. The knots are bleached, so you don't have to worry about bleaching the knots. It's very beginner friendly. This is a wig if you're new to wigs and you don't know how to do it, or if you're going somewhere and you just really want to pop something on and go. This is how it looks like when you first put it on. It also doesn't have the ear tabs, so it's like a closure, which makes it easier. You don't have to worry about cutting anything. You literally can just pop it on your head and go. Like, this wig is already styled, it's curled. All you would really have to do is decide how you want to style it. If you want to leave it in the middle part, and then maybe just putting a little bit of foundation on the hairline to make sure that it matches with your skin. But this is how it looks like when it's straight out the box. And if you've been following me for a while, you know I like a side part. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to part it to the side. Because this is fresh out the box and it already had a middle part, you're gonna have to use a hot comb and some wax to really get that part to lay flat. If you prefer the middle part, or if you prefer just to kind of have no parting at all, you could really just kind of go along and you'd be done with this unit if you want. But because I like a side part, I'm going to work on getting that side part to lay flat down. I'm taking my hot comb just to press the hair down, pressing it so that it's not laying high up like that. And this is a wax stick that I use. It helps to melt the hair down. So I'm going to put some on that part, both on both sides, to get it to help it, one, get that nice sheen to lay flat, and then going over with the hot comb. I am going over majority of the hair because although this is pre-styled, the curls are really tight, and I prefer more of a looser curl pattern. So what I'm doing is just raking my hands through it. I'm also just making sure to give it a little bit more volume as well. This hair is a 250 density unit, so you have a lot of hair to play with. So I like that. I like a big, fluffy, full curled unit. I feel like it's a lot of fun. I'm just taking a little bit of Got2b, and what I'm gonna do is just create one little swoop. I don't really do baby hairs, but I am gonna do a swoop on the parting because I feel like it just adds a little bit more framing to my face, and it makes it look a little bit more natural and realistic. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to get a sense of how much I want to put. I am going to cut that baby hair so that it lays a little bit flatter. And what I'm doing right now is, this is a curtain bang unit. So what I'm trying to do is get those bangs to frame my face, because right now they're kind of just standing, they're sitting up high. And so what I'm doing is I'm just kind of playing around with it, really trying to make sure I can frame my face, making sure that these curls are looking really good, and just going back in with the hot comb, because when it comes out the box you really have to frame it to fit your head shape. So this is how it's looking so far. It's a beautiful unit. It definitely reminds me of old Hollywood glam. This is actually going to be hair that I'm going to wear for my birthday that's coming up pretty soon, and it's just a beautiful hair. This is also great if you're thinking about getting this unit to get it a little bit longer because of those curls, because I typically wear about a 20-inch, but because these curls are really tight, a 20, a little bit longer just makes it look much better. So right now I'm just going through with the hair, fluffing it out. As you see, it's nice and easy to glide through. It really is a beautiful texture. And yeah, so in the rest of the video I'll give you guys an update of how it looks a few days later, but for now let's just enjoy enjoy the vibes. I am going to try to show you guys a one style that I like, which is to do an updo. Just very quick. All you would have to do is just pull the hair up and put it into a claw clip. But such a beautiful unit. So I will have everything linked down below in the description bar if you're looking to purchase this unit. Hey beauties, I just wanted to pop on here to give you guys how the hair is looking like a few days later. I feel like some of the curls have dropped and I really love how it came out. I love how much looser they are and I love just how it frames the face, and I love the bangs that we got going on, the layers. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like after a few days of wearing it. I did wear it into a bun and then I put it up at like a high style, like what's called updo style. And now that the curls have loosened a bit, I just think it looks gorgeous. So wanted to show you in case you wanted to see what it would look like when the curls start to drop. Personally, I really prefer a more looser, more body wave, like messy kind of look, effortless look. So just wanted to show you how it's looking a few days later. If you're considering getting this, I think it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you beauties in the next one.